Hi folks, Chris Harrington from Graphic Whizard here. We're in the mobile showroom today, and we're going to do a demonstration, full demo of our PT8336 SCC. So the PT8336 SCC is a multi-tool, many different machines and functions in one box. So with the ability to use 6 slitters, cross-cut, perforating in both directions. The feeder is a 4-inch pile height. 13 by 40 inch long sheet. So what we're going to do here, we're going to start with some business cards in a moment, 24 up on a 1218. Of course, reading barcodes and registration marks, which will pull the job from memory, set the machine up to run the job, and then feed and cut, finish the sheet for us. So the feeder has lots of settings, including sheet separation, the amount of air blow, table height, skew adjustment, and under here we have the vacuum intensity, so you can turn up the vacuum or turn down the vacuum depending on if you need less suction for lighter weight sheets or more suction for heavy sheets. So the machine also, we'll just show you under the hood here before we run a few sheets, 6 individual slitters. So we don't have any fixed gutters with our inside gutters, say with slitter 2 and 3 or 3 and 4, are all individual. So no fixed gutters on this machine. The servo motors in the machine will, the computer will tell the slitters where to move to set up the job. So it's very variable. If we want to do common cut, we can do that. If we just want to use the machine as a creasing device, we can do that as well. So up to 6 slitters or no slitters if we're just feeding the sheet through creasing or perforating. This is our guillotine section, a heavy-duty guillotine that's going to cut through 18 points, so 400 GSM this machine is rated for. And then on the multi-tool shaft here, we have this machine configured with 2 strike perfs. We can put up to 4 strike perfs. Our most common configuration is 2 strike perfs. We can also do other things on the output shaft here, like additional stationary perforating rollers or scoring wheels on the output. But this is our multi-tool shaft. This machine here is configured with the conveyor outfeed. This is an option, otherwise it comes standard with the catch tray and a card box, which has a card fold detection on it, but this machine is configured with the conveyor outfeed, which is really good for if you have jobs that are heavier stock, longer runs. This device is really good for finished pieces that are 8.5 inches in length and shorter. Otherwise, if you're doing still longer pieces, 25.5 inch finished 6-page brochures, you can pull this off, put the catch tray back on with a series of magnets. So that's our multi-tool shaft and conveyor outfeed. Then also how we do our cross perforating and creasing is with this creasing tool, where we can put different widths of creases in here. We can crease up, or we can crease down, or we can put a perforation tool in the machine, which you will see me switch out later in the video. So there's our perforating tool, creasing tool. It's nice and heavy. There's a real nice firm crease on the sheet. Put that back in place and shut the door. So again, before we run a few sheets, a little bit, people wonder where the waste goes. There's our catch bin for the trimmings. Put that back in place, and then this section here is for storage. The machine is 110 volts. It's on casters, or you can put it down on its feet. It's really easy to move around. Doesn't take up a lot of footprint. It's about 2 feet deep by 6 feet long, and 3-year mechanical parts and electronics warranty with the machine as well. We can control the machine with a computer using our software called Trimposer, or we can program and operate the machine with through the touchscreen. So with the touchscreen, we're going to, in this case, we're just going to pull up the barcode and the reg mark with the machine. So then the machine will basically do the work from here on in. So we're going to run a job here now. So it pulls the job from memory. slitters are moving over to the new job, which is using 6 slitters with 1/4-inch gutters. Now we're conveying out, and we're going to shingle these cards. And if I was running multiple sheets of business cards, I would set the backs to do so, and this would just continue to feed sheets. So what we're doing here, though, is basically just running multiple jobs, so the machine will do the work. But I just want to show you why while it's cutting fold-over business cards here, how nice and even those cards are, perfectly cut and ready to go in the box. So this next job is a creased fold-over business card. So you can see the jobs here, fan those out, are all nicely creased, cut to bleed. You have your little name cards. Now, while we've been demonstrating, we have a greeting card job coming out. So there's a 5x7 greeting card with a nice crease on there. Okay. Birthday card. So again, these jobs are all being read with a barcode and fed into the machine as they go, and any changeover that's required is happening within the machine. So here what we were able to show you was an example of our strike perforating, creasing with 2-up table tens. So a very popular demo piece for us and a very common job, where normally to do this job it would be many different steps without a solution like this. So now I'm going to show you a little more about perforating. I'm going to pull out the creasing tool and put in our cross perf tool. I also should mention that our perforating comes standard at 12 teeth per inch. Then we have 28 teeth per inch and also 50 teeth per inch. So I'll put my perf tool in, and I'll let the machine continue on pulling jobs from memory. So now we have a 6-up ticket with a cross perf. So this job is going to perf in one direction. Then the next couple of jobs we're going to be perforating in both directions. So here's some hockey tickets, nice 12 TPI perforation on there. We're doing a raffle ticket or coupons, tickets. There's a nice ticket job for you. The next job is we're going to do 6-up T-perf coupon jobs. These barcodes, again, we can put them on with Fiery Impose. We can put it through our own software with Trimposer. It's very simple to do. And there's a T-perf. And some pizza coupons with bidirectional. So start and stop at the T, and then 6 coupons across the bottom. So now we've kind of come full circle that now we're going to go back to business cards. Again, 24 up on a 12-18 or a 13-19 up to 18 point. So there you have it. We have 7 jobs in just under 10 minutes with a lot of talking in between. Just wanted to be able to show everybody just how simple it is to operate the machine, the functionality, a little bit about the how the touchscreen works, and thanks for joining me with our demo today. Cheers.